Hi, this is Kannababu. This is part 3 of JavaScript. In this video, we'll discuss the structure of JavaScript program. So if you want, you can write the JavaScript program separately and save with .js and import the JavaScript program within your HTML. Is it clear? Whenever you want to write any JavaScript program, you have to write the program within the HTML tag only. So what is the structure of HTML program? First of all, open HTML tag and close HTML tag. It is a container tag which contains starting element and ending element. Here you can open head tag and close head tag. Here you can close head tag. Always JavaScript program you can write inside where? HTML only, or if you want you can write in a separate file and save with .js and import that .js file within your HTML. And here you can open the body tag and here you can close the body tag. Is it clear? Here you can close the body tag. This is the structure of HTML program. Always HTML program you will have to inside HTML consists of two sections. One is head, the other one is body. So what is the purpose of body? 1 minute. Means always JavaScript code also you have to write inside head section. It is always recommended to write the designing code. It is always recommended to write the designing code in body tag. And logics. Logics means if you want to write any JavaScript code or VB script code, or if you want to write any styles CSS, or if you want to write any jQuery code, you have to write inside the head section. Is it clear? So always JavaScript code, designing code. Designing code means what? HTML code. Similarly, if you work with ASP.NET code or JSP, some server side controls also will be there. Is it clear? See, for example, if I try to let us assume that here, let us assume that I have one design, enter username, enter password, and here I have one text box, and here I have one more text box, and here I have one button, some sign in button is there. Is it clear, everyone? So if you want to design this page, if you want to design this screen, you can design by using HTML. The designing code you can write by using HTML. And if the user is not giving username and password and click on this sign in button, it has to display the error message. That error messages code you can call it as validation logic. Validation logic you can write in JavaScript. That JavaScript code you write inside the head tag. So it is always recommended to write the designing code in body tag and validation logic in head tag. JavaScript code, VB script code, CSS, jQuery code you can write inside what? Head section. Are you following? So always JavaScript code you write inside this head tag. Are you following? Always JavaScript code you write inside this head tag. And whenever you want to write any JavaScript code, you have to write that JavaScript code inside the script tag. Inside which tag? Script tag. So here you can open something like script. Type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Text slash JavaScript. And close this script tag. Okay, now here you can close this script tag. So browser can understand whatever the code that you write inside this particular script tag, that code only is considered as JavaScript code. Outside the script tag code is your HTML code. So if you want to write any JavaScript program, you have to write inside HTML only and save this program with .html. .html only you can save. Inside this HTML file only you have written the JavaScript code. Is it clear? And if you want to write any CSS code, styles, that code also you have to write inside the head section. But always a style code you have to write with style. Style tag you have to use style. Type is equal to, here you can simply write something like this. Text slash CSS. Text slash CSS. And here you can close the style tag. Close the style tag. Okay, na? So whenever you want to work with what? JavaScript, always JavaScript code must write inside the script tag, and always the style code you have to write, CSS code you have to write inside the style tag, and these two you have to write inside the head tag. It is always recommended to write the JavaScript code in head tag and designing code you write in body section. HTML code, ASP.NET code, some other designing code you can write inside body section. Are you following? So whenever you want to write any JavaScript code, write inside the script tag. Designing code, write inside the body tag. This is one way. Is it clear? Whatever the code that you write inside the script tag, that code only is considered as JavaScript code. See here, I will try to open the notepad, and here I will try to write the code. This is my notepad, and I will try to write the code here. You can see. So whenever you want to write any program, here you can see I will try to write my program. First of all, open HTML tag, and here you can close the HTML tag. Always it is a good way of writing the program is like this, and then open head tag and close the head tag. Did you understood? And here you can open the body tag. All HTML tags are predefined tags. There is no logic to learn HTML. As a developer, you must know how to work with that. And within this header tag, you can open script tag. Script, here you can write type is equal to, here you can write text slash JavaScript. Text slash JavaScript. And here you can close the script tag. Okay, na? Whatever the JavaScript code, actually browser can directly execute HTML program. Browser requires a separate plugin is required to execute the JavaScript program. That is, internally you have JavaScript engine is there. That engine is responsible to run the JavaScript code. Did you understand? So that engine can understand, JavaScript engine can understand the JavaScript code if you keep inside the script tag. For example, I want to print one small statement. Simply I will write document.write of welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. I want to print one statement. Document.write of welcome to JavaScript. In C language you will use printf now. In Java you will use system.out.println. In C #.net you will use console.writeline. In Python you will use print. Similarly, if you want to print the statement in browser, in JavaScript if you want to print, you have to use document.write. What is document? What is write? All these things we'll discuss in future classes. Now save the program. Here you can see, go to your desktop. In desktop I have one folder with name Satya. HTML Satya is there. In this folder only I will save the program. Here I will try to save the program as one.html, or you can give some name demo.html. So you are saving the program with .html only. Okay na? So let us open that folder. Let us open that folder. Go to your desktop. There you can see HTML Satya. There you can open demo.html. Open that one. You got the message, welcome to JavaScript. If you're not writing this code inside script tag, if you're not writing this code inside the script tag, what will happen means it will consider as HTML code. HTML cannot execute any logic. HTML main purpose is just to display the content. You can write this script inside head or body also, it will work. You will get the same output, but it is always recommended to write the JavaScript code in head tag only. Because in real time what we'll do means we'll not write JavaScript code directly in HTML. See, our main target is to develop the web application. Either Java developers or .NET developers or any developer, whenever you develop any web application, the web application related code you will write inside where? HTML code only. Even though if you are a .NET developer, for example, I will open my Visual Studio Editor. I am a .NET developer. Even though Java also no problem. If I want to develop any application in what? .NET, just I will show you. If I want to develop any web application in .NET, the same for Java also. When I enter into the .NET application, by default I can see the HTML code only. So right click, add new item, select web form. Here you see. Now here you see, by default when I enter into my .NET environment, I can see HTML code. So always it is recommended to write the .NET code also inside body tag. Okay now, similarly Java people also can see HTML only. That is the reason HTML is more powerful actually. HTML JavaScript for any web application developer. Okay now, head tag we have to write the script. Type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Here you can write the JavaScript code. Body tag you can write some designing code. This is how you can, this is the structure of what JavaScript program. Are you following everyone? If you want, you can keep the same here also, same structure. Are you following? So sometimes you can ask me, sir, generally in real time, what will happen? JavaScript code will be written in a separate file. See what I will do, I will show you. Here I will try to delete this script tag. I'll try to write a separate JavaScript file. Right click, add JavaScript file, save with some demo.js. Demo.js. I'm writing the JavaScript code in a separate file. Is it clear? Here I will try to print something like document.write. Document.write of. Here I will try to print some message. Welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. Now I want to use this JavaScript in HTML page. So go to your head tag and here you can write this JavaScript code. Script src is equal to demo.js and here you can write type is equal to text/JavaScript. So you can write the JavaScript program in two ways. One is you can directly write the JavaScript code inside HTML, or another one is you can write the JavaScript program in a separate file and you can import that particular program within your particular HTML program. See, I got the output. Welcome to JavaScript. Did you understand what I'm telling everyone? We can write the JavaScript code in two ways. One is directly in HTML. Other one is you can write the JavaScript code in a separate file and import that JavaScript program within your HTML. See here all of you what I will do. I will try to open Notepad and here I will try to write some program document dot. Right, I will write the program in Notepad and here I will try to print welcome to JavaScript. You can write the JavaScript program in a separate file. Okay, na? And save this program. Save this program, go to desktop. There you can see HTML Satya. In that folder, I'll try to save my file or myfile.js. Myfile.js. JavaScript program I will try to save with .js. Are you following everyone? And here what I will do, I will try to save this one. And here again I will open Notepad. Again I will open Notepad. And here what I will do, here again I will open Notepad. Here I will try to write the HTML program. Open HTML tag and here you can close HTML tag and here you can open head tag. Okay, and here you can close the head tag and here you can open the body tag and here you can close the body tag. Is it clear? I written my JavaScript code in a separate file now. I will try to import that JavaScript code within my HTML. So here you can write a script. Script type is equal to text/JavaScript. And here I will try to write src. Src is equal to the name I will give myfile.js. Now I'll try to save this program and close the script tag. So what I'm explaining means you can write the JavaScript code directly in HTML or you can write the JavaScript code in a separate file, save with .js and you can import that JavaScript within your particular HTML code. Finally, we will execute what HTML only. So you can save this program some x.html. But one more important point, both the programs must save in same folder. This is HTML Satya folder and here you can see this is my JavaScript program, myfile.js. This is my HTML program. Now execute the HTML code. Is it clear? I think it is not giving the file. So I will copy the total file, open with some browser. I will try to open. Here you have to give the total path of the file. Go to properties. There you can see the total path. Copy this one and paste it in HTML. Copy. Here you see I got welcome to JavaScript. Okay, na? If both are available in same file, you no need to give what total path also. Just I will try to give myfile.js. Save it and again once check here. Again refresh. You got, because both the HTML file and the JavaScript file both are available in same file. You can give just the file name and the type is also optional. By default it will consider, because as you written the script tag, type is equal to text/JavaScript. For more videos, try to subscribe to my channel. Okay.